COVID-19 has come and taken our jobs. It has taken many people's work. A lot of you guys are transitioning and starting to work from home now, and it's a totally different space to navigate as well. I say this all to say there are ways in which we can adapt to what is happening, and we can learn how to make money in ways that we probably haven't made before or haven't tried before. The old age saying of not putting all our eggs in one basket is actually a truth. Hello guys, and welcome to Make Money Moves Online ZA. So today we are addressing the elephant in the room. The way in which we do our work has totally evolved, guys. It's changed. COVID-19 came and it has changed our lives. As you may know, most people have lost their jobs. Most people are in the job market. There has been millions of job losses in Africa, not just in South Africa alone, but in Africa as a whole. We already have an employment issue. It's a huge issue, but we can't just sit and fold our arms and wait for somebody to do something. Hence, I have started this channel. I want to share with you guys how you can at least supplement your income if you do have one. If you still have your job, you're some of the lucky few people that have their jobs. Supplementing your income is a great idea. Diversifying your income is actually a great way to have a safety net in case of something happening. If you're someone who has lost their job, you can at least make an income for yourself doing some of the methods that I will share with you guys on this channel. So don't hesitate to look back at the videos that I have posted and check out something that can be for you. I know that internet is not something that is readily available, but I do hope that these videos at least help at least one person, if anything. Let's say, for instance, you're a writer, and as you may or may not know, a lot of publishing companies or magazine companies in South Africa or in the world internationally are actually closing down because print is dying out. The internet is taking over the way in which we do our work. As a writer, you're sitting at home or you're freelancing, you can actually supplement your income and do some work online that will help you, that will help your portfolio, that will help you to earn dollars and make some money. Even if you do have a job, guys, you having a profession is actually a good thing. Let's say, for instance, you're a graphic designer. There are so many graphic design opportunities that are out there for you on the internet. Do not wait any further. Don't think that because I'm based in Africa, these things won't work out. They will work out. Let's go to my computer so that we can sit down and I can show you more of what I mean when I talk about diversifying your income streams. All right, so the website that I'm showing you guys now is makemoneymovesonline.com. I will link this site below, but this site has basically all of the resources that you will need as a freelancer. All the current jobs that are hiring, international staffing or work abroad job opportunities are all here. There's ways that you can learn how to do various things on this website. For today's video, or for the purposes of this video, you will go to the Hiring Now tab. Just click on Hiring Now. It will lead you to this page. So on the Hiring Now section, basically is all the jobs that are currently hiring or that are hiring for that particular month. So for instance, there's July 2020. Lionbridge is seeking a Zulu-speaking personalized internet assessor who's based in South Africa. They need someone who has an interest in social media, who makes use of Gmail every day, who owns a smartphone and a computer. There are tons of people that I can think of who are perfect for this job. So basically, just going on here, there's resources that can help you out as someone who is qualified or not qualified. So you can be experienced or you may not be experienced, but there's jobs on here for everyone. So for instance, there's a data entry position that is open worldwide at AI recruitment that was open in June 2020. They need someone with great reading and English comprehension skills, and they will provide you with training materials and guidelines. That is as easy as that. So for someone who's open to doing data entry work, there's something for you here. Also, there's chat specialists. So if you're someone who works like in a call center or has previous experience in call center work, this is great for you. Or working as a customer service associate. So if you scroll down on the Make Money Moves online page, there's that full-time work from home customer associate position that was with Amazon. So Amazon was hiring people that have communication skills. So someone who is customer service professional, or someone who works as a representative for a company that has since closed down or something like that would be great for this position. Study.com also needed someone who's a customer support representative. The people that I can think of for this position are call center individuals. I mean, you guys work with customers daily. So if you can apply for any of these jobs, some of them are flexible. So you may be able to work on the weekend. If maybe you're working during the week, these would be great. Study.com says it's flexible work from home position that pays twice monthly. So that would be great for somebody who is a customer service associate. Another position here is a math tutor. So math tutors are wanted at yup.com. I also know that shake.com is also great for tutors, as well as Tutlo. Tutlo is an app that is looking for tutors. So if you're proficient in any subject, it can be English, it can be math, it can be science, these are great for you. If you're a student as well, these would be great for you to work as a tutor. I can see here that you can earn around $11 to $14 per hour, depending on your experience level and how you rate as you go. So another website that I want to look at is Upwork. Now, guys, Upwork is great for freelancers. You may be able to do anything. So if you're proficient in typing, in copywriting, in editing videos, anything of that nature, you can just upload your profile, create a profile on Upwork, and then start applying for jobs. And as you can see here, it also gives you how many jobs, shows you how many jobs this person has had in the past, and as well as their success rate, how they are rated. So they will rate you based on the work that you have done. And another one that is quite popular is Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is quite similar to Upwork. You also just create a profile for yourself. You upload the work that you've done, your previous experience. If you don't have any, you can put it on there that I don't have any experience or anything of that nature, but will get a job if you're persistent on Fiverr. But do note that there is a lot of competition on these freelancer websites. Hence, having a portfolio will be a great start for you. Having work that you have done would be great for you. So starting with websites that are like proofreading services. So if you're a proofreader, for instance, or you want to start work as a proofreader, proofreadingservices.com is a great start. You go on here and then you apply to the online proofreader. just click on that. You can earn anything from $19 to $46 per hour. You can work in any time zone. The hours are flexible. That is another great thing about working from home. The work opportunities are flexible, so you work at your own time. What you earn is based on how much you work or when you work. So you can create your own work hours basically. If you want to start work as an online proofreader and you don't have experience, online proofreadingservices.com is a great start. Another great resource for proofreading services is a company called Scribbly. So if you're an editor or a proofreader, you can go on to scribbly.com. They are always looking for people to work as freelancers. They have on their website here in-house positions as well as freelance positions. So scroll down. Obviously, if you're in Africa, it will be a freelance position because it won't be in-house. They have their requirements on here. They require a university degree, 3 years experience. So this isn't for beginners. The one that is for beginners is the proofreadingservices.com. That is great for beginners. Scribbly.com requires someone with at least 3 years experience who is able to earn in US dollars and has a good internet access speed. So that was tutoring, customer service associate jobs, freelancing jobs, editing jobs, and jobs for writers. Another good job for writers is a beginner writer. For instance, is textbroker.com. Now, textbroker.com is always open to take freelance beginners. I will have an upcoming video for writers that has writing jobs that are on there. I will do more and more research to get you guys more resources that you guys can use. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.